everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am getting my first car. That is right, ladies and gentlemen. I am so stoked. I can't wait for you guys to see it, and I can't wait to see it. Let's jump right into the video. All right, you guys, here it is. Oh yeah, she's in the trailer right now. Dude, I am so excited right now. She is here, ladies and gentlemen. All right, here it comes, baby. Let's go. Alrighty, you guys, here is the grand reveal. Check it out. Boom! Oh, wait, you guys can't even see it. Okay. Alright. Check it out, guys. The 1966 Volkswagen Beetle. Oh, baby! Oh, I am so excited right now.
That cricket on the trailer.
Let's go!
Straighten it up. Look at this perfect, beautiful blue. Matches you perfectly.
See, there are only two pedals.
No, that's better.
So we're gonna rebuild the engine. We're gonna put a wide body kit on it. We're gonna have a huge wing on it. It's gonna look like the Porsche RWB. There's a picture of on the screen of a Porsche RWB. And the best part is it already has a motor in it, actually. So we're gonna rebuild this one, and my goal, this probably isn't gonna happen right out of the gate, but my goal in the future is to end up putting a Porsche motor in this, which would just be sick, because then it would be a Porsche RWB kit with a Porsche motor in it. And since nobody has ever done an RWB styled Volkswagen Beetle, we have to hand make the body kit. So we're gonna make it out of styrofoam, and then we're probably gonna make it out of steel, and then we're gonna build the wide body, and then we're gonna have carbon fiber fenders and stuff. It's gonna be so sick, you guys. I'm giving you way too much info, but it is gonna be so sick. So make sure to watch out for future videos on this. I'm so gonna do a full series on this. I am so excited for you guys to join me on the journey of the 1966 Volkswagen Beetle. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.